St. Edward's Church in Cambridge, also known as the St. Edward King and Martyr, is a historic Anglican church located in the heart of the city. Its history is a testament to centuries of Christian worship and architectural evolution, making it an enduring symbol of faith in the heart of Cambridge, England. St. Edward's Church has a long and storied history, with its origins dating back to the 13th century, around the year 1270. While the precise founding details might be obscured by the passage of time, the church's dedication to Edward the Confessor, an Anglo-Saxon king of England known for his piety and later canonized as a saint, reflects its historical and religious significance. It's worth noting that Edward the Confessor lived in the 11th century, and the church's dedication to him may have been influenced by his later canonization. The church's initial construction followed the early English Gothic architectural style, characterized by its pointed arches and simple yet elegant design, which can still be observed in many of its features today. During the Victorian era, in the 19th century, St. Edward's Church underwent a remarkable transformation. This era witnessed a widespread revival of interest in medieval architecture, leading to the restoration and renovation of numerous churches in the Gothic Revival style. St. Edward's was no exception. It was during this period of time that the renowned architect George Gilbert Scott was commissioned for the restoration work. George Gilbert Scott is celebrated for his contributions to England's architectural heritage. He left his indelible mark on St. Edward's Church. His renovations included the addition of the distinctive spire that graces the church's skyline today. The restoration aimed not only to revive the church's medieval character, but also to incorporate elements of the Victorian design. Among the church's notable architectural features is a breathtaking stained glass window designed by the renowned Victorian stained glass artist Charles Eamer Kempe. This intricate piece of art adds a profound sense of beauty and spirituality to the inside of the church. The stained glass might depict various themes or religious stories, overall contributing to the aesthetics and spiritual experience when you visit. In the community, the church has played an integral role in the Cambridge area. It's been a place of worship, providing regular Anglican services and settling for significant life events, such as weddings and baptisms. The church's welcoming embrace extends beyond its doors, and has been actively involved in the community outreach and charitable activities of the area, offering support to those in need. Today, the church stands as a beacon of faith and history, inviting both worshipers and visitors to explore its rich heritage, admire the artistry, and bask in the ambiance. These are Interesting Things with JC.